tornado home videos. Why do people like them so much? Well, it might have something to do with it's made by average people, just like you and me. Tornadoes have been the most well-documented storms ever, probably. And with the inventions of handheld cameras, they've been documented more and more. People love tornadoes. They're like the closest thing we have to real-life monsters. So in today's video, we will be discussing the history of tornado home footage. Okay, so what the hell is a tornado home video? A tornado home video is a tornado video that is shot on a handheld camera, phone, or just shot by your average Joe. So, this video will not include storm chasers, and it won't include news coverage of tornadoes, because those are not home videos. So with that being said, let's move on to the first chapter. 46 years ago, Ted Rubel looked out of a window while working at an electronics store, and he witnessed an ominous greenish-gray sky. He took his brand new video camera and VHS deck outside to film the sight, and he pointed it west, not knowing his footage would make history. It was on a fairly typical spring day in Kalamazoo, Michigan, on Tuesday, May 13, 1980, until just after 3:30 p.m., when a supercell thunderstorm moved onshore from Lake Michigan. Ted captured this.
Look at the stuff in the air. The leaves and stuff. Big stuff, a lot of stuff. Would you look at that? Look at it move. That getting the ground? Oh, what there? It's sitting to the ground. Yeah, look at this. Breaking up. We better run, Ted. You better get that. I don't like that. That's right here.
Ted later stated, "I just thought I'd take it outside and video this particular weather we were having. Greenish, black on the right, bright on the left." Little did Rubel know, who was 24 years old at the time, he was recording the first known amateur video of a killer tornado in the United States. It's hard to imagine today, in the age of smartphones, when tornado videos from amateur witnesses flood social media feeds during severe weather outbreaks in the U.S. with immediacy that was unthinkable back then. With the rise of popularity of tornadoes and the fact that handheld cameras came out and were more affordable for people started recording more stuff with their cameras, obviously, and then this brought on more amateur storm chaser videos. Not even storm chasers, just amateur videos. The last video was filmed in the 80s, so let's move up a bit and go to the most popular home videos of the 90s. In 1991, we got probably the best tornado footage ever. The 1991 McConnell Air Force Base tornado. This is a really famous F5, and I can't really explain it, so I'll just let the clip play for itself. A fun fact about this video is that the person who recorded this actually ended up getting revoked from the army after taking this, because they were ordered to take cover, And if you get an order from someone in the military, like, you gotta do it. But yeah, on to the next video. June 23rd, 1998. This is probably like one of the best tornado videos ever, because you can actually see the tornado rope out and like go back up in the sky. And I also brought like some really funny clips like this one.
Susan, get my pants.
But yeah, I'll just let the clip play for itself and stuff. It's really cool.
Like that for my life. Oh, please don't go away. Go away.
Come get me. Awful damn windy. Oh, Nelly. Oh, went up in the clouds. There it is. Think how much time you have in the video. Oh, look at the swirls in that thing. Oh, the door open.
It changes within the time.
Oh, shit. Umbilical cord?
Yeah.
That's good.
Pretty get hot.
Oh, look at that.
No wonder we had a tornado.
So yeah, like I said, probably one of the best tornado videos ever. You can see the tornado like rope out over his head. You can see the walls of the tornado break down. It's just a really well made video. So without further ado, let's go to our final video of the 1990s. The 1999 Bridge Creek Moor tornado. This is probably the most famous tornado that's going to be on our list today. If not the most famous, one of the most famous, because it was a really powerful tornado. It caused the first ever tornado emergency, and it was just huge. It was an F5 tornado. Lots of people died, sadly, but we got some amazing home videos of it. I'll let one play now. Unfortunately, that's all I can play of the video due to copyright, but this was an amazing tornado. Like, not amazing because lots of people died, but it was a really well documented tornado. This will end off part 1. If this video gets 100 views maybe, I will make a part 2. So thanks for watching.